Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to try to create a drawing of zebra. First I start with the simple geometric shapes with boxes, another boxes for the body, another block for the legs. These are for the front legs, and a little bit shaped like a triangle, and another box for the back of the leg. And I create a curve for the back and the stomach. Also triangles for the ears. And after this, as usual, I create the outline. Creating the outline, you can follow the guide or you can just follow the outline of your sketch like this. I actually add the tail and also for the eyes and the nose. And a zebra is similar with a horse, but a zebra, of course, they do have a stripe like this. So we're adding some stripes to the legs. But the most importantly is for the head. They have a different pattern. And of course, the neck and the body. They usually have a black nose, the zebras. So let me just continue with the stripes on their body, on its body, I mean. And finishing up with just a marker, adding the hair, and continue with the background. I created the background of a field, some trees on the background, and it's going to be looking nice with a mountain behind. So there you go, your zebra. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.